Hello everyone, I am Golden MC. I am here to present security and enabling technologies for wireless sensor networks in ad hoc and wireless sensor networks course. On completion of this video, students will be able to explain what are the enabling technologies for wireless sensor networks. First, security is in WSN. So, WSN is a special type of network. So, the sensor networks based on an inherent broadcast wireless medium are vulnerable to the variety of attacks. So, security is of prime importance in sensor network because the absence of a central authority, random deployment of nodes in the network. So, and nodes assume a large amount of trust among themselves during data aggregation and event detection. So, from a set of sensor nodes in a given locality, only one final aggregated message may be sent to the BS. So, it is necessary to ensure that communication links are secure for data exchange. Then, cryptographic solutions based on symmetric or public key cryptography are not suitable for sensor networks due to the high processing requirements of the algorithms. So, need a special type of protocol to ensure the security in sensor network. Next, enabling technologies for wireless sensor networks. First, building a wireless sensor network has only become possible with some fundamental advances in enabling technologies. So, the first among these technologies is the miniaturization, that means small device setup of a hardware. So, smaller feature sizes in chips have driven down the power consumption of the basic components of a sensor node to a level that the construction of WSN can be contemplated. So, second technology that has made sensor network possible is the communication equipment starting from microcontroller and the memory chips. The radio modems responsible for wireless communication have become much more energy efficient and have reduced their size. So, reduced chip size and improved energy efficiency is accompanied by reduced cost, which is necessary to make a redundant deployment of nodes affordable. Then, along with the processing and communication, actual sensing equipment is the third relevant technology that enables sensor networks. So, however, it is difficult to generalize the sensors because they come in various forms and a huge range dependent upon their functionality. So, but it is the fact that their nature and design has made the sensor networks possible. Then these three basic ports of a sensor node have to be accompanied by the power supply. So depending on the applications, this requires high capacity batteries that last for long time. So that is have only a negligible self discharge rate, and that can efficiently provide small amount of current. Ideally, a sensor node also has a device for energy scavenging, recharge the battery with the energy gathered from the environment. So, solar cells or vibration based power generation are conceivable options. So, in such case, it requires the battery to be efficiently chargeable with a small amount of current, which is not a standard ability. So, both batteries and energy scavenging are still objects of ongoing research. So, the counter supporting part to be basic hardware technologies is software. So, that should be the principal division of task and functionalities in a single node. The architecture of the operating system or a running time environment. This environment has to support simple retasking, cross layer information exchange, and modularity to allow for simple maintenance. There should be better structure in interfaces for application programmers. Then to run the overall sensor network functionality, there should be that is there is needed of appropriate communication protocols. Thank you. Thanks for listening.